Today we will continue with the n8n weather forecast and air quality workflow part 2b. We will walk through how to save the n8n workflow data to a Google Sheet. Log into your Gmail account, the same Gmail account where you register with your Google Cloud account. Create a new spreadsheet or Google Sheet, name it Weather Air Quality Data. You can click on this new button, choose Google Sheet to create a new sheet. I already have the sheet created. This sheet should contain the columns date, a column for date, city, weather, air quality score, and air quality message. Okay, let's head back to n8n and let's edit the weather and air quality workflow. We want to add a new note after the edit field note. Select Google Sheet. Select append row in Sheets because we want to add a new row into the Google Sheet whenever we start chatting with the workflow. Create a new credential. We need the client ID and client secret. Let's head back to Google Cloud account. You can click on client to look at this OAuth client and copy the client ID from here. Paste it and then go back to get the client secret. Paste it here. Let's sign in with Google. And on the pop-up, it pre-selected the Gmail account. If you have multiple, just select the one that you sign up or you use for the workflow. And then hit continue. Here we presented some access permission. Let's select what's needed for this purpose. We want to be able to see the Google spreadsheet and be able to write to it. So I would need all of these in order to do that. If you want to see what each permission does, you can click on learn more and then it will tell you. All right, let's click on continue. Okay, and close this window and exit. Let's continue to fill out the configuration. We want, under documents, we want to select the Google spreadsheet. Since we only have one in that Google folder, just select the weather and air quality data spreadsheet and then select the sheet within that document. We only have one sheet. Select sheet 1, and then we will need to fill out the rest of the fields. We will need some data from the previous note. Let's click on execute previous note. We will need to chat with the workflow to create some data. So let's put in New York. All right, obviously we haven't finished configuring it, so we got a problem. Let's go back and edit the notes again. Now we should see some data from the previous note. So let's continue to configure the rest of the fields. We want to manually map the columns. So for the dates, we want to have a timestamp. In this case, we want to have timestamp from n8n, and we will use this predefined variable $nout. This will give you the timestamp. And then for city, we want to get that from the chat input. So expand this when chat message received, drag the chat input here. Okay, so that should give you preview the result. And then for weather, we want to get it from the active field nodes and drag this over. And as you can see, it's clear sky, preview the result. For air quality score, we want to get it from the air quality HTTP request node. So expand this, and then we will get it from this variable called AQI that contains the air quality index score. Put it here. Let's collapse this, and we want to get the air quality message using this variable asthma risk, and drag this over. That should be all the field. Okay, let's test this step. All right, so the node has been executed successfully. Let's head back to the Google spreadsheet and see if we see new data inserted. As you can see, we see a new row inserted to the Google spreadsheet. Let's test the entire workflow by chatting with a different city. Let's try London. Okay, as you can see, it has been successfully executed. Let's go back to our spreadsheet and chat again. Now you should see a new row added to the spreadsheet. So this concludes our tutorial today. Thanks for watching.